2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, security system, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.